Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this nail look. If you like it, keep on watching. So right here, I'm just prepping her nail with a sanding band at a lower speed. Just go around cuticle and on top of a little bit on her nails. So the nail could actually have something to hold on to. It actually really helps your nail last longer. It's really important how you prep your nail, that your nail gonna last. And right here, I just applying the nail hydrator just to remove any excess oil on the nails. And right here, I applying the nail primer. I do 2 coats. The nail primer really important, so do not skip this step. That's how the nail gonna last. So I just applying the gel. This is a base coat, just a really thin layer on top of her natural nails before I'm gonna go in with the poly gel. And I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Right here, I'm just gonna side her nails. Make sure the nail will be fit on sidewall to sidewall. This is a full curve nail tip. So I'm just gonna file around the cuticle area. Make sure that they fit her cuticle area nice. Here I already applying 3 nails. So now I'm gonna show you how I do it. So this method is kind of like the dual form, but instead of you pop up the nail, you're just gonna leave the nail on, and it actually really similar to the Gel X nail gel extension, but instead of use the builder gel, I use the poly gel because I find that with the poly gel it's kind of more stiff, so they're actually easier to work with. You don't have to worry about the gel running around or flood on the cuticle. And also I noticed that the poly gel actually lasts longer too. So I just use the base coat gel to blend out the gel. And I don't even use other brush. I just use the brush come from with the gel base. And here I just use the mini lamp to cure the nails. You can also use the flashlight. So she wanted her nail to be shorter, so I'm gonna trim her nail down a little bit, and she still wants the stiletto shape. So right here, I'm just gonna file the nails to make sure they're nice and sharp. And here's how the nail look after the shape. So now I'm just gonna go and file around her cuticle with the safety bit on a lower speed, just around the cuticle area, just to smooth it out. And I also use another cuticle bit, go around the cuticle one more time, make sure everything look nice and smooth. So here's the nail after I already buffed. So now I'm just gonna brush off. and applying the top coat underneath the nail so the nail could be nice and smooth underneath. So right here, I'm just gonna apply one more coat of the builder gel. This one right here I use from enailcouture. It comes with a 1, 2, 3 coat kit. I just apply one coat just to make sure the nail have a little bit extra strain and focus about the tip area. So I'm gonna do it on all the rest of the nails. So I'm gonna apply this color. It's called Luna or Layer from Kiara Sky. And I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this gel polish. Here is the nail look after 2 coats of the gel. So now I'm gonna start with the design. Today we're gonna go with 2 designs. One is the cheetah print and one is the rose. So right now just applying the glitter, like a silver glitter, like just a dot randomly. So right here, I'm just gonna use dotting tool to draw the cheetah. I noticed that the dotting tool is the easiest tool to do this kind of design. You could also use a brush if you want, but this is the easiest way. So the second design is gonna be the rose. So right here, I'm just gonna use the airbrush gel, or you could call it the ombre gel. Applying a thin coat on top of the nails, and without curing, you can start to draw whatever design you want. Today I do the rose. So I'm just gonna draw on the rose slowly because it's gonna take a couple seconds for the gel to spread out, and they're gonna give you a really nice effect. Sorry, got the camera a little bit shaky. So after I'm curing the nails, I'm going to starting to draw the detail line with the black color. Usually I would love to do it in white, but today because the way the design with black and glitter, so I'm gonna go with black so the theme of the nail will match. So right here I'm just applying a little bit of the same glitter, like a silver glitter, in the middle of the flower, just to give it a little bit more shiny from the glitter. So now I'm gonna apply some bling. So that I use the Macar bling gel. I love this thing because it's have a little tube, so it's easier for you to control. Just to put the gel on where you want to place your rhinestone. And I'm just gonna use some top coat from Modern One just to smooth out the nails where I apply it. I'm not applying that for the whole nail because I noticed that when I do that, when I place the bling on, the rhinestone moving around. So I just do a little bit on the bottom and I'll apply the top coat on the whole nail later. And let me know if you guys like different type of nails. Comment down below. Let me know because I love to do nail. I usually do dipping powder, poly gel, gel X, gel extension. I don't do acrylic because I'm allergic to it. So if you guys have any idea or anything, just comment down below and let me know. So right here, the second nails, I do the same thing, but on top, applying the bling. And with this kind of gel, you guys should really careful when you apply around the cuticle area, because I noticed that one time I accidentally flood that gel for the bling on my cuticle, and when you put your hand in the UV light, it actually burned because the spike heat from it. So really careful when you're applying it. Make sure it don't flood to your cuticle. So I do the same thing like the other nail. Just smooth out where the gel at with the top coat. So the last step right here, I just applying the top coat on all the nails. Make sure you do a really thin coat. And cure for a whole minute. Make sure everything dry. So right here, I'm just using Kiara Sky or cuticle oil to apply on all the nails. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. The best thing, my favorite part, to put the cuticle oil on. So here's the finished look, guys. Let me know down in comment that if you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.